putting the system in place to reverse engineer it on every single level of your being. How you feel, how you think, and what actions you actually take at each step of the way. You've got some goals. We've set some goals. Yes?
Yes.
Yes, thank you, thank you. So we have your goal. Let's pretend that this little piece of paper that's got goal written on it is your goal. And at some point in the future, and here we are today, now. Oh, not that piece of paper. Now. And that's where we are. We've set our goal. We are standing here now. Blimey, that's a bit of a gap. How are we going to get our goals when we've got this huge gap, this chasm? What typically happens is, and by the way, this is a system that I have used that's generated over £500 million worth of business for clients. This works. People say, I'm going to do the next step. And then they say, now I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to take, not too certain about that step. Or maybe I'll take just a tiny weeny little step. How the hell am I going to get to my goal? Oh, I can't do this. So they go back. Maybe I need to change my goal. And then they start again. So the fast track to this is what we all know about reverse engineering. So we go to the point of our goal, excuse my back. We go to the point of our goal and we say, what's the milestone that has to happen before that? And that's the phrase you need, before that. And you then put yourself in that position. What has to happen before that? And you come all the way back to where we are now. This is a fast track, by the way. So now we have our milestones, lily pads I like to call them, across a pond. And we can keep working towards our goal. That's great, still nothing overly new, is there? We have to reward ourselves as well. Each and every step of the way. Tiny weeny steps, give yourself a reward, because that's what keeps your brain actually ticking along and happy to keep you moving towards your goal. Mindset. Mindset comes in at every single point along our goal path. It might be, we've talked about this, haven't we? One-to-ones. How do you get your dream one-to-one? If you haven't got the right mindset, you're not going to take the first step to get to your dream one-to-one, to get your dream referral, which is going to take you to your goal. So the whole thing about goal getting is putting the system in place to reverse engineer it on every single level of your being. How you feel, how you think, and what actions you actually take at each step of the way. If you get stuck, make the gap smaller, because it's something, the gap is too big for your mind to actually cope with in that moment. Keep bringing the goals closer to you and you will actually make fastest progress towards your goals. So if you've got any questions about goal getting, not goal setting, because we can all set the goals, let's get the goals. Just come and have a chat with me. Hope that helps. I'll take the goals away.